Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF form with image field. Open your PDF form. Now simply select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare Form option. Now select Start and automatically detected all of this field as a text field. Now select Preview and select this field. Here you can type text, number and other symbol. Also here this box. Now select edit option. I will add new text box. Here you will find this text box icon. So we select here and do a text box. Now select right button for properties and go general option. Here you can change text box name. You can add tooltip. You can make from field hidden, visible. You can read only, required, and go appearance option. Here you can change border color, line thickness, fill color, font size, and choose auto. Text color you can change, and also you can change font style and choose times bold, and go option. Here you can change text alignment and choose center. You can add right alignment. Also you can add multi-line, limit of characters. Now simply select close and preview and type text. This middle align already working, and also change border color. Now I'll add here image field. Now you can click edit option. Here you will find this image field option and do your image field area and select right button for properties. Here you can change same way name, read only, appearance, border color, font size, auto, text color, and option. Also we select close and preview and click on this image field and browse the image. This one. Okay. Now select close and see this. Our image already added and image field already working. Yeah. Now simply select file option, save or save as your fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.